Hello everyone, today is the War Thunder tournament that could possibly get you 70,000 Golden Eagles worth of premium account, Golden Eagles itself and decals. To join this tournament, you just need to go to the War Thunder tournaments page, find this tournament here, click join and you can see the rules here. Most of the vehicles are yellow rank 3. The tournament itself will be starting at 1815 UTC. If you want to join a team, you can possibly join my team, which is Teriyaki with a Y.